Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is JavaScript top 40 one-liners that every developer must know to improve their logic and also to write better code in their day-to-day work. In today's episode, the code snippet I'm going to give you is to get the mouse selection. That's right. Oftentimes when you're working, you might want to have a use case where user selects some mouse selection and you want to copy it to the clipboard. That's what we are going to do in one line. Let's get started. This is part 21 of the series. If you have missed out on the first 20 episodes, make sure that you go through the playlist so that you can learn amazing JavaScript one-liners that you can implement in your code. This is part 21. Let's get started. I'll throw in the quick HTML prototype body. Alright, and the body section. And I'll throw in an internal script. Alright, so like I said, today's task is to get the mouse selection, right? Okay, so we'll first implement a simple function and we'll say get selected text, right? And it's a function, doesn't need any input, so it's an empty one. And we are going to say window dot get selection, that's the method we'll use, and we'll say dot to string. That's all we need in order to get the text selected. Alright, and then what we'll do is we will just write and call this particular method that we have written. We will write add event listener, and the event listener will be on mouse up. Okay, and what we'll do is in this we'll call our function, and let's say selected text equal to call our function which is get selected text and do a console log of the selected text that the user selected. Alright, and in the body I'm going to throw in a paragraph and say welcome to Arc Tutorials, and we'll do the selection of this. So important thing is to learn the window.get selection to string. That's the key. Alright, now what we'll do, we'll reveal in Finder and we will open this and inspect element and console. You don't see anything now, but now let's select something. You can't do that really, so I'm going to select it right here and mouse up, and now I'm going to do the inspect element, and you can see it selected O Arc Tutorials because that is what is selected here. You can see that and make it 100%, and you see that is what was selected. It copied that content. Alright, so that is to get the mouse selection whenever user selects some text using the mouse. Alright, one of the cool hacks mostly required in almost all the projects that you will work in some or the other way. Okay, so the trick is just use window.get selection to string and then add an event listener using document.add event listener and get that text, and you can do the other operations as required. Alright, I hope this is clear. I hope you will be able to use this snippet in your next time when you need a mouse selection. Alright, till then, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Please do like the tutorials and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next part, part 22, and we'll continue this series. Thank you so much.